Valobra Sapone per Barba Hard Shave Stick 2 ounces. Valobra Sapone per Barba Hard Shave Stick 2 ounces. From Italy. This Valobra shaving stick once moistened coats the skin in lathers of vitamin E and lecithin. Perfect for travel. These handcrafted, Italian soaps are made using methods unchanged since the 18th century. The soapmakers season pure soap base for 4 to 6 months, hard mill the soap 6 times with vegetable oils, pure essential oils, and vitamins, then gently hand wrap each beautiful bar with original vintage packaging. The soaps contain no harsh detergents or chemical agents, just skin softening ingredients that make everything from washing your hands to bathing a better experience. Williams Lectric Shave, 7 ounce. Electric razor pre-shave for an ultra-smooth shave. Zadro Luma Step-N-Shave, white and purple finish. Zadro's Luma Step-N-Shave is perfect for getting that smooth shave without the hassle of missing any spots. There's no need for awkward kneeling and bending in your bathroom shower anymore. The Luma Step-N-Shave easily mounts to any clean, smooth wall via 2 extra strength suctions cups for a firm and stable hold, allowing you to shave with ease. Simply rest your foot on the cushioned platform, allow the bright LED light to visibly illuminate your legs, and shave away. It's both water resistant and durable to withstand the test of time. Holding more than 40 engineering and design patents, Zadro has created a brand with products that meet the ever-changing lifestyles and needs of their customers. Zadro continually provides functionality and elegant award-winning product designs. Lectric Shave Pre-Shave Original 3 ounces. Helps electric razors shave up to 52% closer than shaving without it, allowing for a smooth shave.